Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Miata out of paper. Start by gathering tools and materials, then create a measured chassis template and cut cardstock precisely. Fold crisp edges to form a solid base, test fit components before gluing, and keep symmetry by measuring wheel spacing twice. Work in stages, allowing glue to dry between steps, and save decorative details like lights and mirrors for the final assembly to avoid damage. Begin with wheel construction using circular templates and layered paper discs to add strength. Glue each layer and press flat to avoid bulging. Score wheel rims for clean folds, then attach axles made from rolled paper tubes to the chassis, reinforcing attachment points where stress concentrates. Roll the model, adjust alignment until it tracks straight, and finish with light sanding on wheel edges for smoother motion and consistent performance. Quick recommendation: if you get thirsty while folding, consider the Owala water bottle for easy hydration on the craft table. It seals tightly and fits most cup holders. If you like this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow and funds more tutorials. Check the description for the link and other deals, and pick one up to stay refreshed during builds. Now let's get back to the video. Form body panels by cutting templates from thin cardstock and bending flanges for gluing. Fit panels sequentially from hood to trunk to maintain proportions. Create interior pieces like seats from folded paper, and paint the exterior using thin layers to prevent warping, allowing full drying between coats. Add decals and seal the model lightly to protect finish, and reinforce high-stress areas to keep your paper Miata looking and performing its best.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.